Meru.
This week we have been commemorating World Glaucoma Week, and the main point is to create awareness on glaucoma. Glaucoma is a disease or a group of diseases with an endpoint of damage to the optic nerve. This week we are creating awareness, as you have said, and we have an outreach at Kiguchwa Health Center that is currently ongoing. There's still a surgical camp that is happening there, cataract surgical camp, and also we are screening for glaucoma also in the same place. So we encourage people around there to come for screening, and also through the VIP project that is ongoing, we are also doing the same, advising patients and other clients and the community members, those who suspect with glaucoma, they are referred accordingly, and we encourage everyone to come for screening. And also in our other clinics, we encourage everyone to come out and get screened.